Hello viewers, again welcome to the world of fashion illustration, craft and canvas video made by Craft and Canvas. Today we're going to show you very beautiful and interesting ideas of festival decoration ideas with big ornaments and beautiful tree and red application of colors. Beautiful curtain ideas, beautiful designs. Hope you liked it all designs. So viewers, कैसे लगे आपको ये डिज़ाइंस? वीडियो को एंड तक देखिएगा. आई होप यू लाइक इट ऑल आइडियाज़ एंड डिज़ाइंस. वेरी इंटरेस्टिंग एंड एलिगेंट आइडियाज़ हैं और आपके फेस्टिवल को चार चांद लगाते हैं. फेस्टिवल इज़ नॉट जस्ट अबाउट making new clothes, and it's make family togetherness, happy face your shine your face and many more. Enjoy with your heart. Very beautiful elegant designs that make you feel happy, that make you feel more relaxing. आई होप ये वीडियो आपके लिए बहुत काम की. These collection are very beautiful. These collection are very. If you like that video, if you like the designs, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. आपके लिए हम कोशिश करते हैं अच्छे अच्छे ड्रेसेस लेकर अच्छे डिज़ाइंस लेकर आते रहें, चाहे वो ड्रेसेस के हों, डेकोरेशन के हों, होम डेकोरेशन के हों, फेस्टिवल डेकोरेशन के. कोशिश करते हैं अच्छे अच्छे आइडियाज़ लेकर आते रहें. सो कैसे लगे आप लोगों को ये डिज़ाइंस? बताइएगा ज़रूर. हम वर्ल्ड वाइड कनेक्शन लेकर आते हैं, कलेक्शन लेकर आते हैं आप लोगों के लिए कलेक्ट करके, ताकि आप लोग एक ही वीडियो में बहुत अच्छे डिज़ाइंस देख सकें. आप देख सकते हैं ट्रीज़, ornaments, fairy lights, adding some charms in your home. Festival is not just about making new clothes, it's about all together and make happy, cause of happiness for each other. Hope you like that ideas and designs. Hope you like the trees ideas, how to make this beautiful tree, how to make this beautiful collection with fairy lights, green leaves, lights, ornaments and beautiful. Make some delicious cookies in this festival. Your festival will make beautiful and amazing, unforgettable. This festival brings for you very happiness. So viewers, hope you like the all ideas and designs. Follow for more videos, follow for more ideas and designs. These are very interesting collection. These are very interesting designs. Your home will be. So if you want to watch more designs and more ideas, festival related ideas, blouses designs, very beautiful and elegant ideas. So don't forget to subscribe, like and share if you want to join our free session illustration classes, free classes of fashion designing. So you can join it. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share. If you love these ideas, don't forget to hit that like button. Subscribe for more fashion inspiration ideas, fashion illustration video. Subscribe for more ideas and comment below your favorite way to style skater festival ideas. Until next time, stay stylish and keep slaying, keep warm. These looks make your home comfortable and cozy and beautiful. Always be happy, keep smiling, keep shining, keep shining. होप यू लाइक दैट आइडियाज़ एंड डिज़ाइंस. कमेंट सेक्शन में जाकर ज़रूर बताइएगा